Back here at home, we are still talking about something that happened in our last presidential election. It involved the new Black Panthers and white voters in Philadelphia. Senior political analyst Brit Hume is here with some thoughts tonight. Good evening, Brit.
Hi, Brett. There's now powerful evidence that the Justice Department's voting rights section under President Obama and Attorney General Eric Holder has been seriously corrupted. It was one thing when former Justice Attorney Christian Adams testified to that effect back in July. Adams said, among other things, that the department had basically dropped a Philadelphia voter intimidation case it had already won against the new Black Panthers party because the accused were black and the victims were white. But Adams was dismissed as a Republican activist. Now, though, his former boss, Clinton-era appointee and former ACLU attorney Christopher Coates, has supported the Adams testimony and taken it farther, much farther. He told the U.S. Civil Rights Commission Friday his Justice Department superiors had made clear they did not want the voting rights laws enforced when the victims are white. He said he was even called on the carpet by a top Civil Rights Division official, Loretta King, in order to stop asking job applicants a particular question. That question was whether the applicant could enforce the laws equally against whites and blacks. Coates was then actually ordered by the Justice Department not to comply with the Civil Rights Commission subpoena. He testified anyway, he said, to correct false statements made to the commission by administration witnesses. That suggests possible perjury, but no one should expect this Justice Department to investigate that. Brett?
Brett, where do you think this goes from here?
Well, it was kind of a one and done deal in the news media. It was reported on Saturday in the newspapers and here and elsewhere, but I don't see any signs of follow-up. Now, if the Republicans win control of either or both houses of Congress in the election, you can bet that this case and these allegations will be thoroughly vetted before a congressional hearing. Failing that, I think there's a distinct possibility this whole thing may just fade away.
Okay, Brett, thank you.
Bet.